it's nowhere near the same caliber, and yet it's still a similar story. Is this, trying to remember her name, the one who's playing Les Miserables?
Oh, yeah,
Anne Hathaway. Yeah, I read her story.
Got it.
She starved herself.
Yeah.
She
She had
lost
to
25 pounds.
She had to have
She
starved
didn't
herself.
even
She
have
was so...
25 pounds to lose.
Oh my God, no kidding.
Yeah, and she wanted this role so badly. And I mean, I thought, gosh, to transform physically
Yes.
is just to that degree
Yes.
is shocking.
It is shocking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's incredible.
I mean, I'm really glad